In August, 130 days already passed since Vladimir Putin sent his troops into Ukraine. The Russians encountered more resistance and difficulty than expected, with stalled convoys presenting a ridiculous look. Sure enough, we heard word of Russian troops sending up the mutiny vibe and threatening to blow up their general. And Putin lost a top commander, aka the executioner, when he got whacked by a sniper, but that's not all. As of a few weeks ago, Putin's army had seen half, adding up to 75,000 soldiers, killed or wounded during the ongoing conflict. Circumstances continue to grow more dire by the day, with untold loss of life for Ukraine and Russia. Business Insider is now reporting that Putin is now down 16 top generals since the war began. This information arrives via a UK Ministry of Defense report, which details how Putin canned 6 of those generals, and the other 10 have gone missing. General Colonel Alexander Zhuravlev notably did not show up for July 31 Navy Day or been confirmed dead. Here's now the overall military deaths stack up. Russian losses from the war in Ukraine are estimated to be in the tens of thousands. US officials estimated on July 28 that more than 75,000 Russian soldiers have been killed or injured, about half of the number of troops Russia initially deployed in its invasion. While there have been few definitive assessments of the total casualties on either side, Insider previously cited a defense expert saying in late June that Ukraine has lost more than 18,000 troops. And it sure looks like no one is giving up soon, with everyone in it to win it. It being Putin's desire to be seen as a Peter the Great-like figure in terms of imperialistic czarring. Meanwhile, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky famously refused a right of the country and has vowed to keep fighting. According to an ex-NATO general, Putin's put a 9-month target on winning the war, but the Ukrainians won't make it easy for him. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.